Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have the newest version of Extra. I don't know how to pronounce that in Portuguese. It's a matching number game, and if we uncover the symbol lightning bolt, we win 2 times the prize shown. And if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes. Hola a todos! Boa tarde! Mais um dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho o número 2. Okay, so it's a matching number game. And okay, so we're looking for 57, 62, 51, 41 y 26. We're looking for these 5 numbers, guys. 57, 62, 51, 41, and 26. All high numbers. 68, 44, 63, 33, 40, 25, 15, 31, 54, 24, 16, no low numbers, 66, 19, 27, 45, 29, 59, 18, 49 no, 53 no, 13, 28, 65 y 60. So there's no win in the first ticket. Let's go to the second one. We're looking for 59, 45, 31, 61, 58, 64, 23, 36, 63. Come on, ticket. 39 no, 29 no, 69 no, 54, 56, 66. Oh meu Deus, na casa. 22, 28, 50. Ay! I found a match! Woohoo! I found a match, guys! 58. Nice! This size, backwards. 59. 2 matches! Nice! 2 matches, guys. 59 y 58. 2 matches. Can be 10 and 10. Come on, give me more. Give me more. 48. So at least money back in the session, guys. 46. 12. 15. No. 30. Oh my! 3 matches! 3 matches! Oh, meu Dios. 3 matches. Could be 30. Could be 50. Can be 100. Okay. If they give me more, so this is at least 30 euro win, guys. 43. No. 57. 51. No. Y 13. So I found 3 matches. 3 matches. 58 for 10 euro. 59 for 10 euro. What's the other one? 31 for 10 euro. So this is a 30 euro win, guys. Nice! So I spent 20 and I got back 30. So I belong to this category. 10, 10, and 10. So 30 euro win. What's the lottery code for 30 euro? 30 euro. What's the lottery code? I don't know. So it's a nice L. Okay, so L and L is 30 euro. Nice win, guys. L and L is 30 euro. Okay, so I spent 10. I got back 30. So it's a nice session, guys. For me, if I don't lose anything, I don't give donation. For me, it's a nice session because normally I don't win anything. So for me, losing is a routine. So to get back my money, I'm happy with that. Yeah. So it's a lucro session, guys. I got 30 euros back out of 20 euro session in the new tickets, new version. Okay, so it's a nice session, guys. Very nice. Ticket number 2 saved me. Luckily, I bought 2 because I was thinking to buy only 1 because I'm tired of losing. But today, I decided to give 2. At least I have another chance for the next ticket. So luckily, I bought 2 because the first one was a loser. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.